Hello everyone, we are going to make the most amazing Hasselback potatoes today. It looks fantastic, tastes wonderful and is super easy to make. Potatoes are so versatile and the most attractive part of this side dish is that you are simply turning them into a work of art with just a few strokes and handful of herbs and spices. They are crispy, flavorsome and truly refreshing. This impressive creation can be prepared with only 5 simple ingredients. So let's get started. We require potatoes as required, cilantro as required, salt as required, olive oil as required, and Italian seasoning as required. Firstly, we need to wash the potatoes thoroughly in warm water twice or thrice and then wipe them dry. Now, keep a potato in between 2 chopsticks as shown here, and then with a sharp knife, cut equidistant parallel slits through it. Ensure that each cut is parallel and make sure they are connected at the base. We are using the chopsticks for the same reason, so as to know when to stop slicing. You may use any variety of potatoes provided they are fresh. You need not peel them, assuming that they are pretty clean. It will be ideal to use medium-sized potatoes as this ensures even baking, and besides they are easier to handle. The distinctive crispy exteriors and soft interiors make this simply a wonderful side dish indeed. You may bake as many potatoes as you like using this recipe. If you really need perfectly crispy ones, you may make the cuts as close to each other as possible. And the ideal thickness should be around 1/8 inches. These fancy looking potatoes were the brainchild of a Swedish chef, and after so many years, they still don't fail to mesmerize. If you are having some free time, you may bake this food art instead of the regular baked potatoes. While preparing Hasselback potatoes, one should choose potatoes of similar sizes for even baking. Since we will be baking the potatoes for about 60 to 70 minutes, mainly based on the size of the potatoes, it will be ideal to make as many as you can in one go, so as to fill the baking tray completely, which helps in even heat distribution. Now have a look at the slits. They are cut evenly. Remember, the equal parallel cuts will result in perfectly crispy exteriors. Once all the potatoes are done cutting, we are good to grab a baking dish for the final process of baking. I have arranged all the potatoes in the baking dish. Now it's time to apply some oil. You may use a brush for easy application of oil. I prefer virgin olive oil for these crispy baked potatoes. However, instead of olive oil, you may use any neutral flavored oil like sunflower, rice bran oil, or butter. When you choose butter, go for unsalted one. We need to apply oil all over the slits and the bottom part too. Remember, we need to apply equal amount of oil all over the potatoes so that it results in evenly baked potatoes. If you do not have a baking dish, you may use a baking tray instead. When you use a baking tray, remember to use a parchment paper before arranging the potatoes for baking. The seasoning can, however, be altered according to your own individual preferences. I have used a combination of black pepper and some assorted Italian herb and spices as seasoning. Generously sprinkle some salt all over the potatoes. You can use regular salt or Himalayan salt for this purpose. Sprinkle some black pepper powder now. It is totally optional. You may adjust the quantity according to your individual taste and preferences. Assorted Italian seasoning sprinkled over the potatoes augments the taste of this wonderful dish. You may choose the combination of the seasoning as per your choice. Now, bake them in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for an hour or until golden and crispy. Oven temperatures may vary, so adjust your baking time accordingly. And baking time may vary according to the variety of potatoes used and their size as well. By the way, if you like cheese toppings, you may add those 10 minutes prior to the end of the baking time. Hope you loved this recipe. Pen your comments in the box below, and if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe with the bell icon on so that you get notifications of all my upcoming uploads. Meet you soon with yet another unique recipe. Bye bye for now.